Hi everyone, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today I'm bringing you a Clean With Me video. Our focus is our homeschool room. Guys, it's been long enough. I've been sitting here letting things just kind of sit how we wrapped up the school year, and it's really time for me to go in and get things cleaned out and reorganized so we'll be ready for when school starts again. Now, most of it's probably going to be a lot of paperwork, going through papers and things like that, but I'm taking you guys with me so you can kind of see what we're doing. I'm going to let you take a look at the state of our homeschool room and what it looks like right now. I mean, as you can see, right now, there's multiple stacks of papers throughout the classroom, and some of the books I need to get reorganized on the shelf and straightened up. And you know, we're going to just dive in and get this knocked out, and so it's ready. I actually have like some boxes as well underneath my desk area that really need some attention, and I need to go through those as well. So my goal today is to go through all the paperwork and declutter everything and kind of save some of the work that my kids did for a little small portfolio, just a keepsake. I like to keep a little bit of what they do on hand in a folder, just to have a glimpse of what they've learned that year. And for my state where I live, we're not required to keep grades or a transcript or report cards or anything like that with our homeschool. Plus my kids are only in elementary, so I chose not to do that, even though with some lessons I did do some grading. We're just going to kind of take a couple things, build a portfolio, and decide how long I want to keep that or not. That'll be something I determine at another time and date. But for now, we're going to go through all the paperwork. We're going to shuffle through the books. We're going to clean out some of the supplies and reorganize things so everything is back in its place. And we're at a good place for when we're ready to dive back into learning. And also to have this room set up better for my kids throughout the rest of the summer, which it is a dual function space. So it's also a playroom. And so they will have a lot more space to play in. And I'll keep their tables set up so they can do their arts and crafts and coloring and writing and different things like that, or play with their Legos. So let's take a look at what we're dealing with today, and you guys come along with me as I'm cleaning out and going through reorganizing and cleaning up our homeschool room from this last year. As I'm jumping in and getting started, I wanted to go ahead and thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope this gives you some type of cleaning motivation yourself if there's been an area that you have just kind of been putting on hold. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I bring you content on family and home. I'm a homeschooling mom. I work from home, and my passion is really all things home. So you'll find content on homemaking, home organization, homeschool, and all the different things that interest me. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share it with someone that you know. I'm about to get started and jump into cleaning, and you guys will see the footage of everything that I'm going through. And if you click that bell, you'll be notified of my next video. Make sure you watch the video all the way through so you can see the end result of what the room looks like once it was completely reorganized and clean. I appreciate you guys so much for supporting my channel. I have two little surprises in this section of the video of arts and craft items that my girls made, so make sure you look for those and don't miss them. finished going through and cleaning up and reorganizing our homeroom space slash playroom space. And I really opened it up and got rid of a full bag of trash, of just papers and clutter. And so I just wanted to let you guys see what the final result looks like. And hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And we'll see you guys next week.